CRISPR-Cas9 has revolutionized genetic research and biomedicine. Edge computing reduces latency. In our rapidly evolving technological landscape, innovations continually push the boundaries of what's possible, promising to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world. From cutting-edge advancements in fields like quantum computing and gene editing to the development of self-repairing materials and the rise of wireless energy transfer, these 15 groundbreaking technologies represent the vanguard of human ingenuity. Quantum computing. Quantum computers have the potential to solve complex problems much faster than classical computers. They can revolutionize fields, such as cryptography, by cracking previously secure encryption methods. Companies like IBM and Google are making significant strides in this area. However, the technology is still in its infancy due to the challenges of maintaining stable qubits. Self-repairing materials. These materials have the capacity to transform various industries. For example, in construction, self-repairing materials could result in buildings that automatically detect and fix cracks or corrosion. In the aerospace industry, self-repairing composites could enhance safety by reducing risks associated with damage. Swarm robotics. Inspired by social animals, swarm robots have the potential to transform agriculture, where they can work together to plant, maintain, and harvest crops efficiently. In search and rescue operations, they can be deployed to locate survivors more quickly. This technology is also applicable in environmental monitoring and industrial automation. CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing. CRISPR-Cas9 has revolutionized genetic research and biomedicine. It allows precise modification of genes, making it possible to study genetic disorders, develop genetically modified organisms, and explore targeted therapies for genetic diseases and cancer. Lab-grown meat. Lab-grown meat can address ethical and environmental concerns associated with traditional meat production. It has a lower environmental footprint, eliminates the need for raising animals in confined conditions, and could lead to healthier and more sustainable food options. Biodegradable plastics. These plastics break down naturally, reducing the environmental impact of traditional plastics. They can play a crucial role in reducing plastic pollution and waste. However, challenges such as scalability and cost-effectiveness need to be addressed. Neural interface technologies. Brain-computer interfaces offer exciting possibilities in healthcare, gaming, and communication. They can help individuals with severe motor disabilities by enabling direct communication and control through thought, and they have the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Photonics. Photonics plays a vital role in various industries, from telecommunications to medical and scientific research. The precise control of a light, provided by lasers and optical fibers, has made them indispensable tools. As the field continues to advance, it will unlock new possibilities in quantum computing and quantum communication. Desalination technologies. Desalination methods, such as reverse osmosis, are essential for addressing global water scarcity. These technologies have the potential to convert seawater into fresh water, making them invaluable in arid regions and for providing clean drinking water. Edge computing. Edge computing reduces latency and improves real-time data processing. It is particularly beneficial for applications requiring instant responses, such as autonomous vehicles and augmented reality. It also offers privacy advantages by processing sensitive data locally. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of technology and innovation. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest in tech and more. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious and stay connected.